Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change your public TikTok account into private TikTok account. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the TikTok application. So when you will open the TikTok application, here you can see profile at the bottom right corner. So click on the profile. So after click on the profile, you can see three lines on the top right corner. Then click on setting and privacy. So after this, click on account. So here you can see there is no any options. So here click on privacy. So here you can see private account. So just turn it on. So you can see this account is changed into private account. So guys, in this way you can turn your public account into the private account. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.